दिख रहा है क्या कि मैं सो गई थी? Anyways, guys, hi guys, how are you doing today? I did this updo because I have such cool clothes today. I have like gym wear, okay? So I wanted to tie my hair back. And I love looking cute in gym wear. So yeah, you guys know on and off I keep on working out, but then I have my good days and my bad days. And you know that I get super motivated when I have like very nice and cute gym wear clothes. I be feeling cute, I be taking mirror selfies and stuff. And of course, I will be working out as well. Gym Squad sent me few beautiful clothes. Look at the packaging. It was so cute. Every piece was packed in this cute Ziploc bag. Totally appreciate that. Love beautiful packaging. So Gym Squad is India's #1 anti-cellulite and booty lifting leggings. It makes all of us women feel super confident and fit once again. I tell you this all the time that I absolutely love wearing clothes that I feel myself in. Like मुझे ऐसे देख के लगे कि वाह क्या बात है ऐश्वर्या, क्या बात है ना? I feel self-confident. That's what happened when I was trying these on. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the first one. First, I'm going to show you this one because I love tie-dyes. Look at the material, you guys. Like, how gorgeous is this? I have seen this material for the first time in literally ever. Like मैंने कभी भी किसी भी clothing में नहीं देखा है, especially gym wear में नहीं देखा है. And it has huge benefits, by the way. The ceramic fibers help stimulate skin vessels and increase blood flow, which is perfect for everyday workout if you're fighting cellulite. Now, what is cellulite? देखो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. I googled it. Okay. In short, it's sort of like the loose skin that you get, due to fat. ठीक है, which is fine. Like it's completely fine. I have it around my thighs and it's completely fine. I hardly work out. So if I can like explain it in simple words, what these leggings do is it sort of holds it tight. It sort of gives a nice shape and a tone to your legs and your thighs. You can see it in the pictures. It sort of eliminates up to 3 times more cellulite during your workouts. Now, one thing that this brand has different is this thing that you see right here at the back. It has this elastic, okay, and it has this sweetheart sort of cut. It gives this push-up effect which will lift your butt, and it sort of gives a very nice shape and gives a toned look. One more thing that I absolutely loved was this goes super high waist, like super high waist, okay? The price after discount for this leggings is 2090 rupees. I would definitely pair it with a sports bra, right? This one is again a tie-dye sports bra. How cute is that? Like, have you seen tie-dye sports bras? Like, I haven't, okay? This one is a black tie-dye. Now this is black, so I can pair it with black leggings, gray leggings, white leggings, even with this leggings because it's cute actually, the color combination. It's padded and it's V-cut. It has this huge elastic band to have a nice grip, and it has this cute cross back. The material of this again is the same material. Just look at the material. I love how it looks. Everything about it is so unique and so different. Now this one is in a V-cut, so I'll try to pair it and show you how it looks. Now next one is the gray leggings. Look at that. Again, the same cute material. The honeycomb fabric sort of stimulates and massages, helps with drainage when you're like moving around and like working out, which helps reduce cellulite faster. As a result, your legs are like more toned and your butt is like more firmer. The back has this elastic and sweetheart stitching which gives this sexy shape any day of the week you want, and the push-up effect of course, and give you that perfect workout vibes, right? Now again, I have a matching sports bra with it to make it sort of into a set. I fell in love with the color. This has a very steel grayish vibe. The color is very complimenting. I love it. It has this V neckline and the back has the cross back. It has this firm elastic band and it's padded. Together it just makes a perfect set. These leggings are available right now for 1390 rupees after discount, and the sports bra is for 1290 rupees. now you guys, the next thing is black leggings. I was like covering everything right there because come on, you need black, okay? You need black for literally anything. And I'm not gonna lie, मैं कुर्तियों के नीचे भी यही पहन लेती हूँ, अपनी वर्कआउट लेगिंग्स ही पहन लेती थी पहले भी. तो I love black leggings, ठीक है? Material sort of gives you that nice grip and the waistband is huge. It's super high waisted. Again, it's a push-up legging, so it has this push-up effect at the back. This material is sort of like a very unique different sort of material, and because of the material and the design of the leggings, it has this visible cellulite reduction while you're wearing it. Personally, like I said, I've been saying it throughout, I haven't really seen a material like this and leggings like this, like push-up leggings. So I was super hyped about this, and you know कितनी excited हो जाती हूँ मैं, कुछ अलग दिख जाता है तो मुझे तो वही हो रहा था मेरे साथ यहाँ पे, ठीक है? I was like wearing it, taking like mirror selfies, you guys. I got all of these in medium size, so it fits me perfectly. It has a great stretch and everything. This one again is for 1,390 rupees. Okay, you guys, so this was the last one that I had to show you. Now, if you want to check out what's up with Gym Squad and all of their updates and everything, you can follow them on their Instagram, which is right here. It's gymsquad_in. And if you want to get any of these, I will leave the link in the description. I will leave the Gym Squad link in the description. You can go to the website and buy whatever you want to buy. And I'm gonna like work out and like post stories and you guys will see it. देख लेना, abs वैब्स हो जाएंगे बिल्कुल. Anyways, you guys, so this was it for today. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, it's right here, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, a lot of kisses and love. Bye guys.